I'm so tired. I'm attempting to bulk record 10 different videos today. This is wig number, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wig number 5 of 10. So I'm gonna keep pushing, keep pushing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim Jules here with another wig review. So today is not actually a headband wig. Wait, before we get into that, we gotta talk about the lippy. So I've been wearing this lippy in like quite a number of videos. I really like this lippy. This color kind of goes with everything and it's just beautiful. So this is a Colored Rain liquid matte lipstick and it is in the color Latte. So it's in this beautiful like nude brown color. And now into the details of this beautiful unit. Thank you so much to Nadula here for sending me this beautiful wig for review. I absolutely appreciate it. This wig is their 18-inch kinky curly half wig. So no, it is not a headband wig. It is a half wig. So I will show you some clips right now of what this wig looked like before we got to this after. This is the after. So we're going to show you the before. This headband is really interesting. It's got people on it. So it's got one comb here at the front, comb here at the back, and the adjustable straps. And it is a half wig. So you can see there's no lace here and there's no headband. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Looks a little crazy. So this is a half wig. So for those of you that don't know, headband wigs are trending. Headband wigs are simply half wigs with headbands attached right there. So this is what this is. A half wig is a headband wig without a headband, or a headband wig is a half wig with a headband. I wouldn't leave this like this. Some people may wear it like this. What people normally do with a half wig is they're made so that you can wear your own hair over this section here to conceal this part. And then you can wear a headband as well to conceal that part, which is what I'm going to do today because I have my hair gelled back, so I won't be able to wear it over, but I will restyle it. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. That way when I do restyle this, you will see what it looks like when I wear my own hair on top of this. You can sort of wear it in like a flip over type style to sort of conceal it. I would prefer that the hair is a little more fluffed out. I like big hair. Now I'm going to use my fingers just to fluff it out a bit. So I'll just fluff out one side first so you guys can see the difference. And already you can see it's starting to take shape on this side. See the difference? Just simply just running my fingers through it just to separate them a little bit. Now you can do this part with a comb or a brush as well, but I find that when you use a comb or brush, it takes out more of the definition, and I want to leave some of the definition, and that's why I like to finger comb a lot. So there you go. Now you can see that it's taking shape. This is a really pretty wig. See, like you can see the difference between the two sides, right? So that's what this side looks like. On this side, it's looking a little bit crazy. And it's kind of like this because of the way it was in the box, but once I start fluffing it out, it'll take a better shape. But so this is what it looks like. Bring it forward just a little bit, but it is a half wig, so it's shorter, So the more you bring it forward, the more it raises in the back, depending on your head size. My head is fairly small, so it's still resting at the back. And it is human hair. I've never had a human hair half wig before. I've had plenty synthetic half wigs, but never had a human hair half wig. So as you can see, I've added a headband to it. Nice and easy. This is a plop and go pretty much, as long as you've got a headband, or if you want to wear your hair over the front, you can do that as well. Now that does require a little bit of styling, especially depending on the texture of your hair, but this is just as easy as a headband wig. I also have a headband wig playlist in which I convert several different synthetic half wigs into headband wigs, so that absolutely affordable option. So you do not need to break the bank and get headband wigs. You can make your own. And this just shows you that you could do your own. So please click that link above. That way you can see the different oldies but goodies that I combined with headbands to make into headband wigs. I actually have some other headband, like the wigs, headband wigs with the headbands attached. Those are also in the playlist, so check those out. This is what it looks like with the headband. And as you can see, it's concealing that front part. So this hair, it's very soft. There is some tangling. That is expected with hair that is this kinky curly. The smaller the curls are, the more it tangles. It's not a reflection on the quality of the hair. It's just that the curls are very tiny, so it is prone to tangling. And there is some shedding. I'm noticing it's more like breaking. So it's not actual like shedding from, I guess you could call it the root. It's more that the hair is breaking a little bit at the ends. It's very full. So this is what it looks like on the left side, right side, and this is what it looks like at the back. This wig currently retails for $112. Now, if this wig is out of your budget, there are always affordable dupes, which I do have an affordable dupe. Just click that link above that you can check out the affordable dupe to this wig. So this is a human hair wig. So that means you can straighten the hair, and when you wet it, it will curl again. You can also color the hair. Now, also with this, with human hair wig, it does tend to last longer than synthetic wigs if you take care of it. You won't get as much tangling as you would with a synthetic wig. The cap size, so with half wigs, they're a little bit different. They are, again, like I said, they're made so that you can wear them behind the hairline. So they are naturally a little more snug than a normal wig. So this one I would say snug to medium. It's not necessarily big head friendly. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple styles with this wig. Lesson for you guys. There's going to be an eye, and sometimes I'll tell you to click above so you can see some other videos. When you click that little, it's a little eye that comes up. When you click that eye, it will expand and show you some videos that I recommend for you to watch after you finish watching this video. So that being said, click that little eye for my video where I show you 9 different ways to style a headband wig. Very, very beautiful wig. This, I have reviewed a lot of headband wigs, so stay tuned for a wig sale. I should be having that soon, probably in the new year once things, probably early in the new year I will have a wig sale. Plus I have synthetic wigs as well that I will be selling, and I'm going to have a giveaway soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you have your notifications on. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kimera Jewels, and the links are also in the description box below, as well as my about page here on YouTube. Now the pros of this wig are that it is pretty much plop on and go. Make sure you have a headband, and there you go. Now this came with 2 headbands. If you do want some alternative headbands, I do have some links below to some awesome Amazon headbands, and I will also include some links to my fellow wig reviewers, fellow wig bays that also sell headbands as well. Cons about this wig: you are going to be wearing your hair over top. It might require a little bit of work, so that could be a con depending on your patience, depending on how long it takes for you to get that hair blended. But this is the wig for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you'll get the notification. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. But we cannot forget to do wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig. Thank you guys for your patience and your support. Appreciate you guys. Bye guys.